My life has totally changed in the best ways being married. I definitely am learning more about myself and seeing how I can be a better husband every day. And I actually look forward to our dates and making sure that I have time with her. But no matter how much time I spend with her, there are always things that I need to learn and get ahead of. In my life, I really want to be the best husband I can be. You know, more than a great provider, my wife needs a godly man who trusts in the provider. And I want to be the best godly man I can be for my wife, so that together, not only are we blessed and God's name's blessed, but our children are blessed. You know, children are very affected, you know, in their life, emotional, you know, mental, spiritual strengths. It really depends on the parent's example. And, you know, I really ask you to invest heavily in where Emerson and Sarah Egerich are going to be at the Love and Respect event in May 2013. Make sure you go there. It is going to be amazing. I've seen some clips of them speaking, and I wish I could actually come. I can't wait to meet them one day. I wish I could be there. So make sure you go, bring your spouse, and I know that it will not be at all anything short of amazing.